Forced migration. The International Organization for Migration defines forced migration as the non-voluntary movement of people who wish to escape an armed conflict, violence, the violation of their rights, or a natural or man-made disaster. The term has also been applied to refugee movements, the forced exchange of populations among states, or human trafficking. On one end of the spectrum, voluntary, migrants exercise maximum choice when they head for new horizons, most often for economic reasons, while at the other end, involuntary, migrants exercise no choice when they are forced out of their homes. Over time, however, this bipolar view of population flows has been deemed overly simplistic. In reality, few migrants are wholly voluntary or wholly involuntary. Almost all migration involves some kind of compulsion. At the same time, almost all migration involves choices.